our 3 men na-anọ na gate Nnamdi Kanu with me. Anọ m there. After justice kpọrọ Nnamdi Kanu si onye ọbụla nọ na compound ya si ebe ahụ pụọ ka ọ fọ naanị nne na nna ya ọ bụzie na ha mechọrọ igbo fa ha gbuo ọ bụ na ha ya hapụ ha hapụ. Mgbe Nnamdi Kanu kwuru this thing, general wee sị all of us onye ọbụla mee gịnị pụọ from the back fence. That back fence nwekwenuru a very big wire gauze and iron eji wee line up na like war fighter eji wee menu the fence for avoid criminals. I managed to climb the fence wearing my boot as a security. Mbo were boot zopia some wires there, destroy some wires, bend the area, call this smooth for ndị nwere ike jump in the face. At least I managed to save not less than 7 people. While I was dragging some up, onye ndonitere push way across the fence or dabazie n'ime ọfịa nọ n'azụ the compound. Steba ọzọba onwe ya. I was about to pull about more people before these soldiers. Ndị nke si fence, front fence were ribata, wee bịa gbapee the gate. Immediately ha gbapee the gate from inside. Ndị nọ na hilos na mota nke na-abatazi inside. Ozugbo ha side telefon enwere anyị nwa si n'azụ fence wee na-take off. That was when one terrorist pointed gun directly to me, fired me, but I was fast enough to jump before Opuro trigger. Even from a bullet, it just crossed above my head. I flied and jumped inside the bush. So the remaining people who were unable to leave the compound were all slaughtered. Like I said, everybody case waited the 28 men Nnamdi Kanu mentioned. Arume na Igbo, mana ndị niile na-akpọ ụmụ Igbo youths of Igbo land n'ọnụ na anyị nwa bụ ihe mere na Igbo anaga amachi ha anya ha ga-adị ndụ fụ ọnwụ ha. We left Umuahia in the next day. After hanging in the bush, we managed to depart to our different states. We left, we went back. After a few days, we came back again. After everywhere was calm, we came back. We were able to gather some people. Ndị bulletin nwete ndị dara n'ime ọfịa na ndị gbabazi be mmadụ ebe ha idere fa. We were able to take them to FMC Umuahia. Kewepu ha bullet. Do you know that even inside the FMC Umuahia, Nigerian army still traced them go there? They had the information that when they are a weapon bullet na FMC Umuahia, they went there, they dragged them out of their theaters, remove all the drips, drag Refa with the same bullet wound and injuries. These people never returned. Let me emphasize on another picture.